uthatha umuntu ohleze exoshwe kumathi mongabheka ihistory kaKhadoso bese bemthatha ukuthi uyo-advertise lapho kwi-Club World Cup. uKhadoso phela sikhathi kuze qualify for ama-Club World Cup i-team yakhe le qualify yamxosha because he was not good enough. Thina siyamthatha umuntu ongakaze yini Champions League.
Kusho ukuthi phela sekukhona esinye isikhulu esifana na kwenye club in terms of scouting ukuthi uzoletha ngwana ke nebala lemhlophe. Lo muntu wayebelievela ko coach bala kwi Sundowns washona phi?
Yabo ngoba uthi lo muntu wayebelievela ku coaches bala eSouth Africa ama local coaches. Wayisho umfana kaMotsepa uKlophe. Wathi siyazi ukuthi niyazi ukuthi Sundowns ibirela kakhulu ibidevelop coach amagama akho athi bidevelop ama local coaches manje manje sesikwenye level sesidinga umuntu ozoyithatha le khonje program yethu no iproject yethu ayibeke kwelinye level. So kahle nginje ngocoach abalocal but ngoba sengifike kule level angisabadinga ngocoach abalocal.
Manje phakathi ko coach abalocal ne Sundowns ubani obedevelop omunye?
Wathi uyena ngiyazi uSundowns bidevelop coach.